Yesterday on day one of the Stop DWI Tournament of Champions, we saw some of the country's best squads in action. Today, our area local teams mix it up with those national squads. The TC Tremors Gold facing off with Vancouver Patriots Gold, and this one is a tight one. Fourth inning tied at 1. Pat's threatening, but Shannon Good coming up firing from dead center field, nailing the runner at the dish, and this one stays tied at 1 with that top play nominee. Bottom half, it's the Tremors' turn, and they're generating some offense. Amy Bright trying to help her own cause on the mound, lacing a double into the gap, but her teammates can't quite bring her in, and their dream of taking a lead is dashed in center field. Next inning, Bright's in a jam once again, but her defense stepping it up behind her. This one remains tied with a nice little defensive play from third to first. And then in the next inning, a time limit reached, a double play ends this ball game, and in pool play, things can end in a tie, and that's where we stop in this game, 1-1. The Conklin Raiders just one field over, and they were caught up in a goodie as well, barely holding on to the 1-run lead, trying to expand upon that, but look at Patricia Krigler patrolling center field, Willie Mays-esque over the shoulder, and another top play nominee. A little tip of the cap there. Top 7, last chance for the Bells, and after you make a great play in the field, how about doing it at the dish as well? Kringler with the single up the middle ties the ball game. And then look at this defensive play to keep them out of the jam. Shoestring catch over to second for the double play. Nice play right there by Calla Martin. Then in the bottom half, the Raiders walking this one off. They take it 4-3 in 8 innings, getting out of a jam by Sydney Diamond. Let's go to